In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to replace the sky in less than 1 minute. Coming up. Hey, what's up? This is Harshvardhan and welcome to another superb episode. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a simple trick using which you can replace the sky in less than 1 minute. And it's very fast and it works for even the complex subject like this, which is right, you can see over here. And before we go any further, please do subscribe to this channel if you have not already subscribed. And to subscribe, just click the big red button below this video and don't forget to click the bell icon as well. That way you will not miss any new video from this channel. Having said that, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we are going to work on this image, and you can see that this image is very complex. If I would have to make the selection, it would take me years, or it would take me lots of time to make this selection or the perfect selection. But here, using this blend if technique, we can easily change or replace the sky in less than 1 minute. So how we can do this? We need to come over here. Let me just show you. On this layer, and on the blank side we just need to double click, and that's going to open up the layer style option, and we have this drop down menu. If we click over here, we can choose different channels. As you can see, by default it's gray. We can choose the red, green, or the blue. All right, and here we have two options. One is for this layers and one is for underlying layers. So using this technique we can change them. So in this case, the sky is of blue color, so we are going to select the blue channel from here. All right, and over here we can see this is the blue side and this is the black side. So we need to bring this on the left side so that the blue is hidden from this image or this layer, which is the dandelion layer, and that's going to show up the different or the sky different, the another sky. Let me just show you. We have one sky image under it. You can see we want to replace this sky with this one, which is little flat one. So we'll just double click it. Let me show you once again, and if I just choose the blue channel once again and bring this slider towards the left, you can see it has taken away the blue color from this image and it has given us this effect. But this is not perfect, so in order to bring it or make it perfect, we need to press Alt or Option, and then we'll click and drag, and that way this slider would split into two, and that would gradually replace or remove the blue channel or the blue color from the image. So we can drag it to our liking. So maybe something like this, because if I drag it too much, it's going to take away even this part of the dandelion, which also has a blue hue due to the sky. All right, so I'm just going to bring it to something like this, and thereafter I can even adjust this one. So if I want to bring in more of the sky, I can drag it over here, and thereafter I'll press OK. As you can see, we have easily replaced the sky with this sky in less than 1 minute. And if you want to work on this even further or want to bring in more of the sky, you can use the levels command. So we can press Ctrl L or Command L, and then we can play with the settings or midtones and highlights, and that way we can bring in more of the sky or less of the sky. So that's how you can easily do this. Otherwise, if you would have done the selection of this area or these dandelions, it would have taken you a lots of time. All right, so let me just show you this on the another image. So we have this image, and under it we have this sky. So you need to replace place your sky under the layer on which you want to replace the sky. So over here I'll just double click on this blank side. It is going to open up the layer style, and from this drop down menu again I'll going to select the blue channel, and then I'll press Alt or Option, and that would split this slider into two, and I'm going to bring it down, and you can see it has started showing us the underlying sky. All right, and I can even adjust this one if I want more of this. All right, and you can see, we'll press OK. You can see that we have very easily changed the sky without making any kind of a selection whatsoever. So this trick is very cool. And if you like today's episode, please do let me know in the comment section below. So thank you so much once again. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel. If you have not already subscribed, and to subscribe, just click the big red button below this video. And if you like this trick, please do share it with your friends who love photography or photo editing. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.
Today's episode is a part of my premium course, which would be available on my website Harshvardhan Art, and you can have the access to that and all of my courses with very affordable monthly or the yearly price. So if you are interested in having the access to all of my present and future courses, please consider becoming a premium member. There is a discounted link in the description section below. Go check that out.